How to Pronounce Uncommon Words Part 4. Here's the fourth installment of our Uncommon Words pronunciation video. Our first word is Zeitgeist. General trend of thought or feeling characteristic of a particular period of time. Some people say this as Zeitgeist or Zeitgeist, but the correct pronunciation is Zeitgeist. Chuffle. Of the larger species of cats, to make a low snuffling sound analogous to the purring of smaller cat species, often as a greeting. It's simply pronounced as Chuffle. Chuffle. Fletcherize. To chew food slowly and thoroughly. Say this as Fletcherize. Fletcherize. Natant. An adjective that means swimming or floating. The pronunciation is natant and not natant. So that's natant. Non sequitur. Something said or written that isn't related to what immediately precedes. In English, it means it doesn't follow. The correct pronunciation is non sequitur and not non sequitur. Again, that's non sequitur. Try adding these words to your vocabulary or simply have fun learning new words. We hope you found this informative. Comment your thoughts below, and if you can, please share with your friends. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you and God bless.